Good morning, students of class 10. Previous day we had started third chapter of your book Footprint Without Feet, The Midnight Visitor. Now I am going to start page number 16. Ojibal moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I am going to raise the table with the management this time, and you can bet on it, he said grimly. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. Fowlers, I went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was passing blackly. Balcony, Max said with a rising inflection. No, Apaski. I didn't know about the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I known. Come to the word meaning. Heavily, with great force. Rage means rise. Bet. When we offer something that I will do that work, that is called bet. Management top line of the officers who manage. Seriously, grimly, bothersome, nuisance. Ordinary means simple, inflection, prosody, and pass की मतलब master की, passing too much. Ojibal moved to an armchair and sat down there. He sat down heavily on the armchair. Then Ojibal said that I am going to raise a question to the management of the hotel, because this is the second time in a month that someone had entered into my room through that balcony. Fowler, I went on the single window against which the night was passing darkly. Next stanza. It's not my balcony, Fowler said. Sorry, Ojibal said, not Fowler. Ojibal said, with extreme irritation, with an irritated manner, he said, it's not my balcony. It belongs to the next apartment. He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. You see, he said, this room used to be a part of large unit. And the next room through that door there used to be the living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window. Now, you can get into it room from the empty room 2 doors down, and somebody did last month. The management promised to block it off, but they have not. Ojibal said to Fowler that it's not my balcony. This balcony is part of another living room which has extends to my under my window, and with the help of this balcony someone entered into my room, and with the help of this balcony you may enter into the room 2 doors down, because this large room is a part of used as a part of living room, and this balcony belongs to the next room. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly. First word meaning. Extreme means very much, irritation, vexation. Apartment means room. Glance, quick look is called a glance. Explanatory, in detail. Unit means buildings block is called unit. Living room, sitting room. Extend, which spreads. Promise, assurance. Block, to stop or close. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly, not far from Ojibal. Max was standing not far from Ojibal and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Please sit down, he said. We have a wait to have an hour, I think. 31 minutes, Ojibal said moodily. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max, Ojibal asked to Max. The little spy smiled heavily. And we wish we knew how your people got that report. Max asked to Fowler and asked, Ojibal and Ojibal asked to Max. But no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight, Max said. What is that? Who is at the door? Come toward me, stiff, strong, commanding, matlab like ordering, gesture, motion, heavily, wickedly, harm, loss, report means information. When Max saw Fowler, who was standing just close to Ojibal, he waved his gun in a commanding gesture and ordered them to sit down because they had to wait for half an hour. Then Ojibal said moodily, not half an hour means 30 minutes. He said that 31 minutes. Then he asked that he wanted to know how he learned about that report. And Max asked to Ojibal that he wanted to know that how his people got that report. At the same time, Max asked, who is that? Who is at the door? Stephen Strong, commanding major, ordered gesture. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. There was a knocking at the door. Fowler heard it. Max also heard it. Someone was knocking at the door. Ojibal just smiled. That will be the police, he said. Ojibal said to Max, I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have some little extra protection. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. Ojibal said to Max when they heard a knocking at the door that Ojibal had said to the police as he was going to get an important paper. That's why he wanted to be sure and told them to check him on to make sure that everything was all right. Max bit his lips nervously. The knocking was repeated. As Max was not able to face police, what will you do now, Max? Ojibal asked. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot you, Ojibal said to Max. Max's face was black with anger. Send them away, he warned. I will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I will shoot you and take my chance. Come to the word meaning. Protection matlab security. Nervously, anxiously. Knocking means tapping on the door. Repeat again and again. Hesitate, waffle. Swiftly, quickly. Still. Doorway. Warn. Notify of danger. Ojibal said to Max that if I don't answer, they will enter into the room anyway. They will not hesitate to shoot you. That's why I warn you. What would you do? Keeping his body twisted, as Max said earlier that he would wait in the balcony. So keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest, the man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg over the window sill, and after that, when the doorknob turned, he jumped, pushed his left feet to free himself from the sill, and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed, shouted shrilly, loudly. Grasp mane catch, support mane sustenance, twist matlab ring, doorknob, the handle of the door, scream, cry, shrilly, loud and sharp voice. When the doorknob turned, Max put his one leg on the windowsill and jumped in the balcony. And when he jumped, he screamed loudly. Then the doorknob opened. And there was a waiter stood there with a tray and a bottle and 2 glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you return, he said, and set the tray on the table, deftly unlocked the bottle and left the room. White-faced, Fowler asked him, but he stammered. The police, where is the police? He wanted to know. There was no police, Ozebel said. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. No, but won't that man on the balcony? Won't he would, if he would come, return to the room? Ozebel said, no, he won't return. Because you see, my friend, there is no balcony. So when Max jumped on the balcony, he dropped himself on the floor. That's why he screamed loudly. In such way, Fowler knew that it was waiter who was knocking the door. But he said to Max that it was police, so that he would become frightened. And in such way, he fell down from the 6th floor. So in such way, Fowler saved himself from Max without any weapon. This is the end of the story. Thanking all of you. Have a nice day.